Hello and welcome to today's video. We are excited to show you our new feature, Organization Widgets. These are specially designed for team admins to easily share and manage Figma Activity Graphs with all team members. First, let's talk about setting up these widgets. Simply go to the settings page. If you're an admin, you will find additional options under the APIs section. Here you will need two things: a Figma file ID and personal access token. Once you've set up your Figma widget, it opens up a world of insights into your team's Figma activities. You can see a weekly graph showing edits or comments made in Figma. This also includes a feature for directly accessing recent comments. Plus, you can filter these comments by author's name, making it easier to track specific interactions. If you want to set up a personal Figma widget, it's pretty simple. Just head over to the Custom Widget section and choose a Figma widget. To link your personal Figma data with your dashboard, you will need your Figma user ID. But don't worry, it's easy to get the ID. We've created a Figma plugin called Figma User that lets you obtain your user ID with just one click. After saving your settings, you will immediately see how many comments in Figma are actually yours. And we are planning to bring more features soon, where you will get even more detailed information from your Figma files. And just one quick update on our notes feature. We've just launched the community. It's a great way to start building your design system documentation. With just few clicks, you can import ready-made design system documentation templates from the community. You can then customize and publish these pages to share with your team. This is a huge step towards enhancing collaboration and knowledge sharing. And remember, this is just the beginning. We are eager to have more users join us in shaping the community. As of now, the app is available to a limited number of users. If you're interested, feel free to reach out to me directly. Stay tuned for more exciting updates coming soon.